This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for July 25, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.92 points or 0.23% and closed at 403.63. Total trade volume was down with 71,698 shares changing hands at a total value of 416 million real or over 103,000 US dollars. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, up 2.22% or 300 real to 13,840 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which was up 1.64% or 100 real to 6,180 real per share. On the other hand, five stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestec Cambodia, down 3.32% or 90 real to 2,620 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which dropped 0.65% or 40 real to 6,160 real per share. Other stocks down included Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, MJQ Education, and CAM GSM. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ and Akleda Bank remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were down. JS Land dropped 3.58% or 100 real to 2,690 real per share, and DBD Engineering was down 0.50% or 10 real to 2,010 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 43,611 shares changing hands at a total value of 299 million real or over 74,000 US dollars, approximately 61% of Friday's total trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 10,069 shares changing hands at a total value of 21 million real or about 5,300 US dollars, 14% of July 25th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer real to USD strengthened to 4,006 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 97.68. Looking at global commodities, oil prices were stable on Friday as trade talk optimism supported the outlook for both the global economy and oil demand, balancing news of the potential for more oil supply from Venezuela. Brent crude futures were up 38 cents or 0.55% at 69.56 US dollars a barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up 34 cents or 0.51% to 66.37 US dollars. Brent was heading for a 0.4% weekly gain at that level, while West Texas Intermediate was down around 1.44% from where it closed last week. Gold prices fell, pressured by a recovery in the US dollar and optimism over progress in trade talks between the United States and the European Union. Spot gold was down 0.5% at 3,350.08 US dollars per ounce. US gold futures fell 0.6% to 3,351.70 US dollars. U.S. stock futures inched higher early Thursday after the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite reached another record closing high. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P 500 futures traded up 0.2%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.18%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 80 points or 0.18% as well. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for July 25th. Have a great weekend.